Hi, dear students, how are you today? Our lesson for today, 13.6, solve perimeter and area problems. At first, teacher, what is the meaning of rectangles? Rectangles means quadrilaterals, and quadrilateral is a four-side shape. We have here a four-side shape, and we have extra properties here. Each two opposite sides are equal, like what, teacher? Like here we have the long sides, BC and AD. BC is equal to AD. So we have two equal sides. And this is the long side. I will put L. L for length. And here we have AB is equal to DC. These two opposite sides are equal. And since we have here the short side, I will put width. So we have two width and two length. What's this, teacher? This is called the rectangle. To find the perimeter P, I have to find the distance around the outside of the shape. How, teacher? By adding the four sides. Or I have an easy way. Look here, we have the length and the width are adjacent legs. I can add length plus width and multiply it by 2 because we have one pair of adjacent legs. I can say that perimeter equals 2 times, I will open parentheses, length plus width. What is, teacher? This is the perimeter. So the perimeter equals 2 times length plus width. Now we will try to find the area. As we know before, area means the number of square tiles that cover the entire space without gaps or overlaps. So I have to find the space inside the shape. How, teacher? By multiplying length times width, L times W. In this part, we know what is the meaning of rectangles and how to find the perimeter and how to find the area. Let's start our lesson. Number 3, find and when the perimeter equals 46 inches. Here we have a rectangle and in the unknown length, the long side, it will be the length. Now, teacher, we know the formula of perimeter equals 2 times, I will open parentheses and add length plus width. What we have to do now, I will substitute each unknown or each variable with its value. The perimeter is 46 equals, I will put 2 as it is. The length, n, I don't know it, plus the width, 8. Now, teacher, the first step, we have to get rid of the 2. Divide by 2. I will divide by 2. This is important part. So I will divide by 2 the two sides. 46 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2 equals 2, and the 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Since I have 1 here, 1 times any number equals the same number. I will put n plus 8. Now, teacher, I want to get rid of 8. I will subtract 8 from both sides. 8 minus 8, and here I will subtract 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. I can cancel the two terms together, the two numbers together, and put 0. And here 23 minus 8 equals 15. This side equals 15, and here we have n plus 0 equals n. So we find the value of n equals 15 inches. Number 4, the first step, I will write the formula of perimeter. Perimeter equals 2 times length plus width. I will take each variable and put its value. The perimeter 26, I will put here 26. 2 as it is. The length, the long side, 9, plus the width, the short side is n. Now, teacher, I will divide by 2. I said this is important part. So 26 divided by 2 equals 13. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. And here it will be 9 plus n. I have to get rid of 9, so I will subtract 9 from the two sides. Subtract 9, subtract 9. Now, 9 minus 9 equals 0 and 13 minus 9 equals 4. N equals 4. So I will write n equals 4 what? 4 centimeter. Now teacher, he asked me to find the area. We know that area equals length times width. I will multiply the length, the long side 9, times the width, short side, which is 4. 9 times 4 equals 36 squared centimeter. Number 5, find the perimeter. Here we have square, we have 4 equal sides. So the perimeter, I will add the 4 sides. So the perimeter equals 5 and 1 out of 2 plus 5 and 1 out of 2 plus 5, 1 out of 2 plus 5, 1 out of 2. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. Half plus half 1 plus half 1 and half plus half is 2. 20 plus 2 equals 22 yards. Or I have another way. I can find the perimeter of the square by multiply 4 times the length of one side. It will be 4 times 5 and half. I will multiply a whole number by an exit, so I will multiply 4 times 5 equals 20 plus 4 times half equals 4 out of 2, which is 2. 20 plus 2 equals 22 yards. Number 6, find n. Here we have n, the long side, so I have to find the length. In this problem, I will use area to find the unknown lengths. We know that area equals length times width. Area is 60, and the length, n, times width, 6. Now to get rid of 6, I will use the inverse operation. Here we have multiply. I will use division. Can I divide only one side? No, I have to divide the two sides. 60 divided by 6 equals 10, and here 6 divided by 6 equals 1. So n equals 10 feet. Number 7, find n. And here we have the perimeter. The first step, I will write the formula of perimeter, 2 times length plus width, equals. The perimeter is 65, and here we have 2 times. Length is n, and width is 11, and 2 out of 4. Now I will divide by 2 the two sides. 65 divided by 2 equals 2 out of 2, n plus 11 and 2 out of 4. 2 divided by 2 equals 1, so I can cancel 2 with 2. So 65 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3, and 5 divided by 2 equals 2, and remainder 1 out of 2 equals n plus 11, and here the fraction part 2 out of 4 equals half. To get rid of plus 11 and 1 out of 2, I have to use the inverse operation, which is minus 11 and 1 out of 2. Here also I will subtract 11 and 1 out of 2. 32 minus 11 equals 21. Half minus half equals 0. And here 11 and half minus 11 and half equals 0. N plus 0 equals n. So n equals 21 inches. Number 8, find n. The perimeter is 84 yards. To find the perimeter, I will write the formula of perimeter, 2 times length plus width. I will put the value of each variable. Perimeter equals 84 equals 2 times. Now the first step, I will get rid of 2 by divide by 2. 84 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2 equals 4, and 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Then 2 divided by 2 equals 1, so I will cancel it, and here n plus 22. To get rid of 22, I have to use the inverse operation, which is minus 22, and here minus 22. 42 minus 22 equals 20, and here 22 minus 22 equals 0, n plus 0 equals n. So n equals 20 yards. Now we finished our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time, inshallah. Goodbye.